Hello everyone. This is another week of the major literary works series, and today I have chosen the work written by Alexander Pope entitled The Rape of the Lock. The occasion for this elegant comic piece was the forceful cutting by Lord Peter, a 20-year-old Catholic peer, of a lock of hair from Lady Arabella Fermor's head. This apparently trivial event causing dissension between the two aristocratic families of the time. Pope's avowed intention was a jest to laugh them together again, and the early version of his poem became something of a cause célèbre in the metropolitan Catholic circles in which they all moved. One of the poet's most glittering performances, the rape, subjects this even to an extended mock heroic treatment, playing upon the war between the sexes, feminizing epic conventions, and satirizing the superficial concerns of society women while still celebrating their beauty, something to which the poet was specially attracted. The poem traces the course of the fateful day when Belinda, the society beauty, wakes up, glorifies her appearance at a ritualistic dressing table, and moves out to play cards, flirts, drinks coffee, and has her hair ravaged. As in the pastoral tradition, this action is set within the wider cycle of time itself, so that at the close, when the violated lock is transformed into a new constellation, the immortality of the story is seen to be a function of poetic artifice as well as of feminine charms. The enlarged version of the poem includes some elaborate machinery or accompanying details of supernatural elements surrounding the mortal events. Part love poem and part satire, The Rape of the Lock is a virtuoso piece of writing designed to demonstrate what mighty contests rise from trivial things. I hope this podcast helps you in better understanding of this interesting mock epic written by Alexander Pope. See you next week with another major work of English literature. Thank you and have a great day ahead.